15-minute script for a three-way call or coffee. I'll be Nick, the new consultant, bringing the guest to the call. Sarah is our mentor or expert. Gus, he's our guest or prospect. Hi, Sarah, this is Nick. I have my friend Gus on the line.
Hi, Gus.
Gus is an incredible businessman and is very well networked in the Metro Detroit area. I told him our business is rapidly expanding there, and I wanted to introduce him to you. Gus, this is my business partner, Sarah, who is going to share more with you about our business that's expanding in your area. Sarah is a great leader who will be able to share with you her perspective and answer any questions you have today.
Hey, Gus. Hey, great to talk to you today. Yeah, Nick told me all about...
Fill in some detail about their success in life so far. A successful realtor, a dynamic leader, an incredible mom of 3 young children.
Right, I am so thrilled to share more with you today. Yeah, but before I get started, I'd love to hear any questions that you might have based on what Nick has told you.
Gus asks any questions he might have.
Thank you for sharing. Now, I'd like to take a few minutes to share our business with you and how and why I got started. And afterwards, I'd love to hear what questions you have and let you guide the conversations from there. Does that sound okay to you, Gus? And here's where the sponsor shares their success story, their background, how they were introduced to the company, why they decided to team up, and what the company is doing for them. Weave in your company's story, and more importantly, share the benefits that the prospect would have in partnering with us, what it can mean to them, and why they'd be a great fit then. And with that, we'd love to pass the call back over to you, and you can ask any questions you have in regards to the products or how you would get started in the business. From there, the sponsor would then answer questions and handle objections. At the end of the conversation, I like to ask them, now, based on the conversation and based on what I've shared today, what intrigues you or excites you the most? Then, do you have a personal interest in learning more about the opportunity or products? And if they don't have interest, say, do you know of anyone who would be interested? If they are interested in the product, if you have a few minutes, we can make a proper product recommendation for you now and help you in getting your order processed now. And if they are interested in getting started in the business, getting started is quick and easy. Do you have a few minutes so we can walk you through the enrollment now? And if they are interested but need more information, we are going to send you some links to review now. Please write down your questions and we will revisit tomorrow. Let's schedule the follow-up call now.
If they are not interested at all, thank them for their time. Add them to your newsletter list and Facebook for monthly follow-up. And so they become a part of your audience, watching what you do over time. Again, ask for referrals. If you replace every no with a referral, your contact list will never run dry.